Danniella Westbrook has posed in a series of sizzling snaps in a Valentine's Day-themed shoot. The 49-year-old former EastEnders actress is seen confidently posting in a red, lacy bodice with an attached G-string in some of the photos. The bodice also has cutout detailing around the waist and the back. She has her blonde locks in a curly style and is leaning on a fireplace as she confidently poses for the images. Danniella sported a smoky eye makeup look for the shoot and even matched a red lipstick to her lingerie. Meanwhile, more snaps see the former EastEnders actress change into a silky red bra and knickers set with diamante detailing on the straps of the bra. Read more. She added a lace kimono to the ensemble, which she draped around her arms while seductively posing for the camera in front of a bathtub. More snaps see the actress posing on a couch with a bottle of champagne. This time, Danniella is wearing a red lace mini dress, which has cutout detailing around her midriff. She is smiling while looking away from the camera, showing her confidence as she poses for the photographs. Meanwhile, a final snap sees Danniella pushing her hair away from her face with a red bow while she kneels on a bed in a red teddy which has a heart pattern on the material. The photos come ahead of her undertaking a new role away from acting. She is set to become the creative talent director for Social Icon, which is an adult subscription service. Last year, the star took part in a racy underwear shoot for the brand and was flooded with direct messages from men in the following months. She was asked by the Daily Star about the reaction to her saucy shoot in a Facebook Live earlier this month. Danniella, 49, said, "Always. There are quite a few of both, celebs and fans, actually. I don't actually do it anymore. I let my agent run my social media. I only talk to people about recovery that inbox me, other than that I don't really go on my social media. But I don't want a celeb boyfriend, I've got a boyfriend I need." Danniella is currently dating her jailbird toy boy David, 28, who is currently serving time in prison for counterfeit goods. The pair have been on and off and rumors were swirling that the pair had called an end to things after the actress revealed the couple are engaged again, having split last year due to personal frustrations. But she is now counting down the days until he is out and they can spend some time together. She added, "David, nobody knows his last name, but I do obviously. I met him in Marbella years ago, we've been together on and off over the past 6 years. Everything is really good. He will be home at the end of the year, probably just before my birthday in November. I can't wait to have him back home. We are definitely getting married still. I think we are going to do something a lot quieter here and there and go away, just us."